In this video, I will provide information about 10 websites where you can make money from the comfort of your home. You don't need any professional skills, just a Wi-Fi connection, a computer or phone, and the desire to earn it. The first method I'll discuss is Rapify. Did you know that you can get paid based on the number of kilometers you drive? Yes, it's possible with the Rapify service. This application pays you to advertise on your vehicle. As a driver, you spend around 100 minutes on the road each day commuting to work or running errands. What if you could earn money while driving? Rapify turns your vehicle into an additional source of income. To get started, download the Rapify app on your phone, create an account, and you'll be notified when missions are available in your city. You can earn anywhere from $200 to $400 per month just by driving as you normally would. It's easy to get started, and the earning potential is significant. Another method to make money from home is through Homestyler. Homestyler is a website that allows users to create 3D designs. With this site, you can create interior designs for homes, schools, condos, and more. Homestyler is a design builder site that not only helps you create stunning 3D models, but also provides video tutorials to improve your skills in this field. You can use these designs to sell your services on platforms like Fiverr. Take a look at the competition's prices for 3D interior design and see that they range from $30 to $400. As you gain experience and build your portfolio, you can earn $100 to $200 for just a few hours of work. The earning potential is great in this field. If you're looking for an easy way to make money online, user testing is an excellent option. User testing is a website that pays people to test websites and applications. Each test takes about 20 minutes, and you can earn up to $10 per test. To get started, visit the user testing website, click on Get Paid to Test, and register. The user testing team will contact you with further instructions. All you need is a microphone and a PayPal account to receive payments. The tests are relatively simple, so anyone can do them. This makes it a convenient and accessible way to earn money online. Gigwalk is another platform that offers opportunities to earn money from small tasks in your neighborhood. These tasks may include taking photos of businesses, apps, or verifying addresses. Gigwalk helps companies collect data and carry out remote tasks on a large scale. To begin, download the Gigwalk app on your iOS or Android device, create an account, and start finding and completing tasks in your area. You'll need to connect a PayPal account to receive payments. On the earnings scale, Gigwalk rates a 2 out of 5, and in terms of difficulty, it's also a 2 out of 5. It's a simple and accessible way to make money online. ProductTube is a video storytelling app that rewards users for creating short videos about everyday products. You can earn between $50 and $80 per hour by posting video reviews. To start, download the ProductTube app on your smartphone, sign up, and verify your email address. Then you can begin participating and earning. ProductTube ranks a 2 out of 5 on the earnings scale and a 1 out of 5 in terms of difficulty. It's a straightforward way to make money from home. TaskRabbit is a platform that connects people who need assistance with tasks to those who can complete them. You can earn money by completing tasks such as cleaning, moving, or handyman services. As a tasker, you can